At Grekkon, we recently completed the successful installation of solar-powered water pumping systems for residential flats in Lucky Summer, Nairobi County. The building was equipped with a surface solar water pump with a capacity of 6 cubic meters per hour and a head of 30 meters, powered by two 450 watts solar panels. The process began with on-site delivery of pumps, panels, controllers, and mounting structures. Our team welded metallic support structures on the rooftops and mounted the panels with optimal tilt angles to maximize sunlight exposure. The pumps were installed next to water sources and connected via piping to overhead storage tanks positioned on higher floors. We then ran DC wiring from the solar panels to the controller units, ensuring safe and efficient power regulation. After setup, we carried out comprehensive pump testing to confirm proper flow rate, pressure, automatic solar operation, and system integrity. The outcome is a reliable, sustainable off-grid water supply solution that now serves residents using clean solar energy.